Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to make a video from a PowerPoint presentation. This video you can upload on YouTube or any other video platform like Facebook, or you can play it in any video player. So let's start. Click on this slideshow button. There is a record slideshow button. You can record from the current slide or you can record from the beginning. This is the start recording button. We can stop recording by clicking this button. We can play the recording which we have just recorded to see how does it look. We can click here and clear any other recorded that we have already done. Any previous recording we can clear from current slide or from all slides. From the settings you can choose your microphone and camera. From here you can mute your mic, switch on and off the mic. You can turn off your camera and you can turn off and on the preview. Here your own video will come. There's a pen, highlighter, eraser. So let's start. This is a PowerPoint presentation about features of Microsoft Word. One by one, you will explain the slide, then move on to the next slide. We can take a screenshot, insert in a PowerPoint presentation, and format it like any other picture. We can have smart art in PowerPoint. So like this, you will explain your slides, and when you are finished, click on stop button. We have recorded the narration. Now close this one. The recording is individually placed on each slide, which we can play and listen. We can have smart art in PowerPoint. So right, we can take a screenshot, insert in. Now how to save this video? Click on File, Export, Create Video. We can make a 4K video, Ultra HD, Full HD, FHD. I will make a 4K video. If you want to keep your recording, you can choose this one, or if you don't want to keep your recording, choose this option. I want to keep the recording, then click on Create Video. Choose the location where you want to record this video or save this file. I want to save it on the desktop. You can change the name of the file. It will be recorded as a MP4 file. Click on Save. When you click on Save button, the video is now file is being created. You can see this creating video smart art graphics.mp4. Now it is rendering the video. Depending on the length of the video, it will take time to make this or create this video file. The video will be saved on the desktop, so you can double click to play it. This is a PowerPoint presentation about features of Microsoft Word. One by one, you will explain the slide, then move on to the next slide. We can take a screenshot, insert in a PowerPoint presentation, and format it like any other picture. Bestow So this is the video of the presentation. This is an MP4 video you can upload on YouTube or use on any other video platform. Hope you understood how to create a video in PowerPoint.